I think it's quite interesting to see some of these earnings. Let's talk about Amazon. So here's Amazon's earnings where they didn't like them, right? So what happened was Azure, Microsoft's cloud numbers were phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Google's were good. And then Amazon came up short. And so people are worried about that. I'm not worried about Amazon at all because I think the difference is here is that you have a delayed reaction from from Amazon Cloud. There's nothing is going to stop cloud at this point. The big cloud delivery mechanism companies are going to do fine. It's just that Microsoft and Google have something that they don't, that Amazon doesn't have. They have an ecosystem, right? So what's very interesting about the way that we can see cloud at this point is and you see that Azure AI basically tripled in usage, right? So people are using that because, if once you're in the Microsoft ecosystem or Google, it's very difficult to leave. You can switch from one to the other, but it's very difficult. You get used to it, and why bother, right? So we'll see if as they raise prices over time, we'll see what the market can tolerate. But the market's going to be excited about that because the more you rely on that ecosystem, the more pricing power they have, right? They're going to start inching up prices because they know that people aren't going to be able to leave, and they know that they're getting much, much more value now via the Copilot, which, believe it or not, is being used a lot. They're getting more value out of AI, right? So they're going to say, well, I can't leave. I'm getting more value, and it's sensible, right? Microsoft should probably raise prices. They're spending a lot of money on AI.